Hey, I wanted to do another video on one of the assignments that I assigned this week to help students who may be struggling with it. This is a word problem, and what we need to do is we need to come up with an equation, and then once we get that equation, we're going to need to solve it. So I'm going to do at least, I'll probably do two videos, but because I want to keep these short. So let me jump into this. Now, the acronym that I want you guys to use, I'm going to take a picture and I'm going to write on the picture. Is I want you to use something called, I said it's called cubes. The C stands for circle. Oops, I don't like that. Let me, yeah. I want you to circle all the numbers. I want you to underline the units. So you just underline them. And then I want you to box up what we're looking for. What we are looking for. Okay, and then we are going to create an equation from these things, and then we're going to solve that equation. Okay, so very first thing, I'm going to change the color. No, I'll keep the colors. So I'm going to go circle all the numbers, just the numbers. So it's going to be 380. It's going to be $3. It's going to be $39.80. Okay, now the units I'm going to underline in blue. The unit for this is dollars, $3.80. This is going to be dollars per mile. So the units for this 3 is dollars per mile. The units for this 39.80 is also dollars. So those are the units. Those are underlined. And then I'm going to box up what it is that we're looking for. Now, in this case, they've given us the variable. But if they hadn't given us the variable, this is what we would, oops, I don't like that. Try this again. This is what we would make our variable. Whatever we're looking for, that becomes our variable. So in this case, what we're looking for is the number of miles in the taxi ride, and we're going to let that stand for X. So what you should see is that all of these numbers, they have a dollar sign on them. So they go together. The question is how? Well, we got $3.80. And then we have $3 per mile, right? And then we have equals $39.80. Well, the only thing we're missing is this X, which will go here because the units for this X, and I didn't underline this, is miles. So this will be X miles, right? So what this is saying is that 380 plus 3X equals 39.80. So that's the equation that we would have. It would be 380. Now we don't put the units in there, but the units are what help us determine what numbers, how the numbers go together. That's the equation that we would have. Now, once we get the equation, we got to solve it. So I'm going to try to do that down here. So I'll be 380. And I'm going to use boxes and circles. This is what I've kind of taught. 39.80, right? This number will go into a circle, but it's not going into a circle for some reason. Let me try that again. It goes into a circle. This one is going to go into a box. This one is going to go into a circle. Yep. So now, draw my line down the middle. I'm going to take this, move it over here. Cross the line. Change the sign. So this is going to be a minus 380. And then over here, we're just going to have the 3x. Right? And so $39.80 divided by, subtract it. Take away 380 is just going to be $36 over here, and over here it's going to be 3x. So the last step is always to divide by whatever the numbers in the box. So this is going to be 3 divided by 3 is going to be 1x, and 36 divided by 3 is going to be 12. So that would be our answer. I am going to go back over here to the actual DeltaMath question, and I'm going to enter that. So this is going to be 380 plus 3 times x equals 3980. And then x is 12 miles. And that's it. We are set. We're good to go. I can